Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Puneet Khatri and today we are going to discuss about what I have been doing over the past few days and what is the result that I have achieved because of doing those things. So I think pretty much by now you would have figured it out because I know you read the title, correct? That's why you clicked on the video and you're watching me right now talk to you. If you are new on this channel, then you might not know what I do. So over a period of time, I have been running Facebook ads, helping clients generate leads, helping clients sell products, maybe info product, physical products on the internet with help of paid ads profitably. And over the last few one and a half months, actually I would say, to be specific, I was observing a product that was working very well. I mean, I saw few sellers who were selling this product with help of ads and they were running these ads for a very long period of time. So I understood that they have been selling this for a very long period of time, and if this is still working, and I saw there was a lot of scope based on their website, so I decided that I wanted to move forward. I wanted to dropship this product and test it out. Maybe who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I could incur some losses. It's all right, but I thought it's worth trying. So what I did, I went ahead, set up the store, got the domain, set up the store, designed the store, added the product, found a supplier, got everything ready, and then I went ahead and launched the ads. And boom, after 9 days we were sitting close to $1,450 in revenue. So actually this happened step by step. Initially the ads were not spending a lot. I was spending just 450 rupees per day. That's like close to $6 every single day, because the ad account was very new. There was no prior ads that were run on this ad account, which is why once those limits started increasing, I was able to spend like close to $30, $50 per day. As of today, while I'm recording this video, I'm spending close to $150 per day. That's like close to 10,000 rupees per day in the Indian market. All right. So I know as this product is working, I want to scale aggressively because I do not know when the trend gets over, the product stops selling, and then it could just be a flop store at the end of the day. I wouldn't say the flop store, but the store would no longer exist because the people are no longer are looking for that particular product that we are selling at this moment. So it's just one single product. We are selling it at 949 rupees. That is close to, I would say, 12 to $15. 949 is a decent, I would say, order ticket price here in India. I know international market $15, $12 is very small or a low ticket offer, but right now this is based on the Indian market going very well, and this is something that's selling quite good. We have a lot of competitors, I wouldn't deny that, but still the store is doing really well for us. Now let me quickly jump onto my screen, show some numbers and stats to you so that you get a better idea about what I'm talking. I'm not just fooling around over here. Let me just show you some stats, some information, and some also things that I thought back then while I was scaling this store, and the result that we have been able to generate because of those steps and the optimizations that we did on the ads part. So now let me shut up right here. Let me quickly take you to my computer. Okay, so guys, right now I'm here on my computer. Let me quickly take you guys into my Shopify dashboard. So I'll first of all refresh the screen so you guys know that this is not an edited screenshot or a video. It's a live recording that I'm recording. So as of now, you can see sales today. I'm recording this video on 21st of Feb, 4:26 p.m. That's a Monday. We have already generated 10,600 rupees of sales. So let me quickly go into USD to INR. Let me search it on Google and show it to you guys. 10,600, so $142 in sales. You can see right there, 10,600. Okay, so we have already generated that much in sales for today. Let me go into analytics right here. Let me do month to date. Okay, that's what we have preferred and selected. You can see 1 lakh, that's like 126,616 rupees in Indian rupees. That's the revenue that we have generated. Let me quickly switch that to dollars as well. Let me show you guys how much that's in dollars as well. So as you can see, we are close to $1,700 in revenue right now. That's a Google thing that I'm showing you guys. Again, nothing that I'm making up on my own. Let me paste that number again, and it says $1,700 in revenue as of now. That's what we are setting at. Now let's see the number of days that it has been since we started running ads on this one. Okay, so we started close to 11th because this was just the trial day. 9th, we did some trial testing. That's only my orders, and I'm gonna move the dates to 11th to 21st so that you can see. So that's where we started. We made 2,847. That's like close to, I would say, $45. That's what we made on the very first day, and then we have been scaling aggressively from there. You can see the revenue that we were making. We went highest up to, I would say, 28,340. That was on 19th of Feb, and I think that's like close to $400 a day. So we have been able to scale this store to $400. Now I want to make it consistent and scale it to up till $500 every single day in revenue. So you can see we are getting a fair enough conversion rate, not a very poor conversion rate on the store as well. We have got a good amount of traffic on the store as well. And let me quickly take you guys to my ads manager, and let me first refresh this too. And right here, so as you guys can see, this is again today 21st of Feb, and here right here we have spent 2450, and I showed you guys how much we made already today. That's like close to 10,600. So that's like close to 4x, or as something a little above 4x. Let me go to the same dates. So that's going to be 11th till today. So we have spent somewhere close to 25,000 rupees. That's close to 325, 330 US dollars, and we generated $1,700 back out of that. So this is very, very good. Right now we have a couple of campaigns that are rolling out. As of today, I'm planning to spend close to $150 on this ad account. Let's see if we are able to do that or not, because yesterday also it didn't spend a lot. I'll tell you guys. Yesterday you can see it's just 2100. I guess there was some issue with the billing part, which is why it was not able to spend, because day before yesterday we spent 3500. So I want to scale this to at least $150. That's like close to 10,000 rupees per day. That's what the objective is. As the stores are still active, I wouldn't be able to share any further details, but as you guys can see, it's all legit. I have been able to make this amount, and I'm looking to scale the store. So as soon as I scale more, there are more numbers that we hit and achieve on the store, I'll come back to show you guys exactly how we did that and what is the future plan. Alright, so guys, so far I have shared all the information that I possibly could with you guys, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. The objective of this video at the end was to make you understand that this is something that you could do as well. This is something that's the trend right now on the internet space, because if you can find a product that you are getting for a very low price, and if you know that you could market that product, put it in front of the right audience and sell it at a better price, then why wouldn't you want to do that? Because all of this could still be done while you are working on a full-time job, right? This could be your side hustle that you start, and maybe over a period of time, once you keep doing it well and you start seeing some good countable success, then you could shift your 9 to 5 job to the side hustle and make the side hustle a full-time job for you, right? A lot of possibilities possible, and this is what I'm practically working on. And also, if you guys ever would want any help from my end, I have a discovery call link down in the description, so you can click that, schedule a call if you would want me to help you with your ads. Also, apart from this, getting back to the topic, so if you guys enjoy this video, feel free to give a thumbs up to this video. Comment down below if you guys have any questions, because I am actively replying to all the comments on all of my videos. I'm looking to grow this channel to a bigger number in this year by the end of 2022, and all of this could only be possible with your support. So please share the video, tell YouTube that you like such content, subscribe our channel, the link is right there, and also turn on the bell notification, so every time you upload a video you get notified about it. And also, do not forget to share this video if you think someone could also get some help by watching this. And that's about it. I'll catch you guys later in the next one. Peace out.